How to create a Target account or sign up for Target. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a Target account or sign up for Target. So to do that, first of all, go to target.com on any browser of your preference. Now once you've done that, tap on the sign in option on the top right side of your screen and then tap on the second option, which is create account. After that, you'll have to enter details such as your email address, your first name, last name, mobile phone number, and create a new password for your Target account. So let me simply enter all of these details real quick. Now once you've entered all of the details, tap on the option create account, and now it'll ask you to join Target circle. So if you want to join, tap on the option join free, but if you don't, tap on the option don't join, or if you want to skip this process, tap on the option skip. And just like that, as you can see, you have successfully created a Target account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.